Hi everybody, welcome to our third little video on PhotoStory Designer software. In this tutorial I'm going to cover adapting page styles to your own specifications and just go over how you can do that and how you can save them for future use. Picking up our design from the last tutorial, I'm just going to go on to our next two pages and open that spread, and at the bottom here you can see that I have got the two image templates. I'll just show you. Selected. So these are all the ones that have just two simple images on there, so you can see right through. Now, it was pointed out by one of our customers that in the software there's not actually two landscape images on one page. You can see square, landscape, two portrait and a landscape. This tutorial I can quickly show you how you can rectify that yourself and save the template for future use. So we're going to use this one, number 17 here. Just drag it on, and you'll see it'll drop. And then you've got the portrait here on the left, landscape on the right. If I just quickly select the landscape one now, I've got my measure tool on up here. You can see that that is a 10x8 image on the 12x12 book. You can change this here if you wish by selecting and over typing. So I'll change it to a 9x7. And you can see that the size of the actual image box has changed. You can see it's gone off center now because I've resized it. To rectify that, you simply hover over, right click, go to align, vertical page center, which aligns it vertically, and align horizontal page center, which aligns it horizontally. So these are free to move, so you can move them around wherever you wish, but that centers it dead on the page for you. I've got my software set to inches. You can see how it says it up there. If you do work in centimeters or millimeters metric, just go to File, Preferences, and in here you can change the measurement unit from inches to millimeters. I'm going to leave it in inches because that's what I particularly work in, and as the books are sized in inches, it just sort of makes more sense to me. So okay, we'll stick with inches. I'm just going to go back to my 10x8s as well by just using the undo button. So we've got back there with our 10.8. To replicate this on the other page, firstly we need to get rid of this one. Right click and cut, and that just takes that image box away altogether. To copy that over, simply right click, copy, and right click, paste. And it will drop it down wherever you point it to. I'm just going to drag it onto that page roughly by hand, and again align vertically and align horizontally, and that now is dead center and those two images match, and we can just drop in two more of our pictures. I'm going to move on to the bride in this case, so let's get one nice one of the bride. Double click, just move that crop ever so slightly, okay. And on the right side, we'll just put the bride and the parents in that one. Oh, sorry, double clicked it. Sorry, and hover over. So that's it. That gives us our two landscape images on the page. Now, if you want to save this template for future reference to reuse it, and why wouldn't you? You just simply click on the cog down here, and you see how you've got these options here. I'm going to save the spread, which is both pages. So save spread as a page style. So if I click on that, you give it a name, so I'm just going to call this 2 10.8s. Category, you can drop it into the categories that we've created, or you can create a new category, which could be my templates. I'll make it more personal, let's call it Dave's templates. Okay. And then just simply click on OK again, and then you can see now that if we then go on to the next page up here, click on this, go into category, and you've got Dave's templates, and there it is in there to use again. Okay, thanks for watching everyone. For more tutorials, check out the website ashtonphotographics.co.uk.